module here. This is 0.91 inch OLED display. Organic light emitting diode. The size is 0.91 inch. Okay. And here we have the ground, BCC, SCL, clock, SDA data. BCC is around 5 volts. So we're going to use 5 volts for this OLED display. So what are we going to do now with this OLED display? We're going to make a text blinker or a blinking text inside the OLED, inside this OLED display that blinks. So a blinking text. We're going to do that using this 0.91 inch OLED display. Also with the use of fabricates Arduino Uno Microcontroller. So together with the 0.91 inch OLED display, we're going to make a text that is blinking text inside this display. So first, let us upload the code for this Arduino Uno so that we can use that in our display.
Ay February 24, 2023. Petsa po ng birthday ko. Pero ma'am, meron pong name. Hindi pa po ito ng name. Hindi po mabasa masyado ang pangalan ma'am. Information po yun. At saka confidential in nature. At saka din siya naman po ma'am. Ako ang nag-implement po activities na in relation po.
Now we have the figure 1, 0.91 inch OLED display text blinking using Arduino Uno Microcontroller and of course the LED display. So here is the 0.91 inch LED display wherein we have the pin BCC connected to the 5 volts of Arduino Uno. The serial data SDA connected to A4 of Arduino Uno. Serial clock SCL connected to A5 Arduino Uno. Ground to ground, common ground. And then this is our Arduino Uno. After we're done with the uploading the code, we can now use a 9-volt supply, external supply for the Arduino Uno. If we are already done with the uploading the code. And then here, speaking of this 0.9 inch OLED display, this is monochrome display, only one color, and the color is bluish or blue. The color is blue of our screen, and it has a resolution of 128 by 32 pixel. Resolution. It has a self-illuminating pixel. So that's why we are eliminating the need for the backlight. So self-illuminating pixel. So the pixel is illuminating. So there's no backlight for this OLED. OLED refers to organic light emitting diode. In our code, we install Adafruit GPX, GFX, and then Adafruit SSD 1306. These two are libraries or library, which is we need to make a text blinking OLED display. These two libraries for making the text to blink or text blinking for our display. Okay, and then as you can see here, the Arduino Uno is 5 volts logic. So the data pins, it can carry 5 volts each. The power 5 volts, also the data pins between the Arduino Uno and then the display. So it is 5 volts logic, or the data pins of Arduino is 5 volts logic, 5 volts. That is directly direct communication with the OLED display. And what kind of communication we are using? This is I2C, inter-integrated circuit or circuit. While we are using only serial data lines and the serial clock, and then the power logic, and the two communication data pins connection, the communication between this is we're operating in would be a half duplex or just a simplex, one way. This is just the output of what we have in the code. So the output here is Tagalog Electronics continuous text blinking of the Tagalog Electronics, as we have seen into the screen. So that is the text blinking. So we need to install GFX and then SSD 1306 library, in which it is already in the Arduino IDE. We just need to install that so that we can use that for text blinking. So as you can see in our display, it is blinking. And that is our the connection between the two, the communication between the OLED display and the Arduino Uno Microcontroller on how to make text blinking using 0.91-inch OLED display.